How to stream Warzone on TikTok. Streaming Warzone on TikTok brings high-octane action, epic victories, and thrilling moments to your audience, making you a gaming sensation. Now, if that is what you want, then here is how you are going to do it. First things first, you're going to go ahead and click this one here, and we're going to go ahead and download an application called TikTok Live Studio. So I have already downloaded this one, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that one. Just go ahead and click the download button here at the top or here down below. Now, you can go ahead and download this one and set it up. After doing so, here is how the app is going to look like. So as soon as you open the application, you can see that there is nothing in here. Now, you're going to go ahead and add some sources. We're going to go ahead and click this one here. And the first thing that we are going to add is the game capture. Add the game capture, and then you're going to select this one. And then you're going to go ahead and look for the application in here. So again, we're going to go ahead and stream COD Warzone. So you're going to go ahead and look for that. But let's just say, for example, this is the app itself. I'm just going to go ahead and click this one. Alright, and then click add source. Now that I have added this one, we're going to go ahead and add a camera as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click add source, and then I'm going to go ahead and choose camera and then click add. Alright, click add once again. Now, this is what we are going to do. I'm just going to go ahead and put the camera here at the top. Say, for example, that is my camera. Alright, resize it like that to make it fit. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and put the game here. So you can adjust your screen and fit this from end to end, or you can also make this a little bit smaller. All right, just like so. And then after doing so, I'm going to go ahead and add text. All right, this one here. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put some random text here. I'm going to go ahead and put COD Warzone, just like so. Make it bold, and then add this source. Now I'm going to go ahead and adjust this one. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and put this in the center. Alright, again, this is just optional, but you can do really whatever you want from this point forward because these are not prerequisites or requirement. Now, you can go ahead and add more from this point forward. Alright, and what you're going to do once you're done is just basically hit the go live button down here. And yep, that's how you're going to do it. Very simple. Congratulations, everybody. Now you know how to stream Warzone here on TikTok. As always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.